steel-borne, resilience, and mechanical charisma defined the 1983 Bedford TM truck, a heavy icon that bridged the gap between British engineering tradition and evolving global trucking demands. This vehicle emerged as a hauler capable of handling both long-haul and off logistics with equal confidence, and its rugged styling reflected an era when trucks were crafted to endure without compromise. Beneath its square-edged cab and commanding stance lay a range of powertrain options, including diesel engines from Perkins & Cummins, offering outputs that balanced torque-rich pulling capacity with operational reliability. The TM line had already made its mark in the late 1970s, but the 1983 update refined comfort, improved suspension systems, and delivered more adaptable gearing to handle varied load conditions. Join our community today and be part of the passionate journey that celebrates machines which have truly shaped the roads of history. In the automotive industry, the Bedford TM stood apart by combining utilitarian durability with a surprising degree of driver comfort for its time. Air-assisted brakes, improved steering responsiveness, and a cab design that provided better visibility gave it an advantage over some European contemporaries. While it could not match the sheer luxury of a modern Volvo FH or the aerodynamics of a Freightliner Cascadia, the TM earned its reputation in sectors where reliability outweighed flash. Configurations ranged from rigid chassis for construction, used to tractor units for inner-city freight, with gross vehicle weights extending up to 38 tons depending on setup. Engine options in 1983 included the robust Cummins N200, capable of delivering around 290 horsepower, paired with Fuller Road Ranger transmissions for proven highway performance. In today's collector and enthusiast market, a well-maintained Bedford TM can command prices from $25,000 to $40,000, depending on restoration quality, making it not only a historical workhorse, but also a sought-after classic in the vintage truck scene. Its legacy rests in its balance of mechanical endurance, ease of service, and no-nonsense design, combination that cemented its place as one of Britain's most respected heavy-duty trucks of the era.